also work long hours in the office like I do. So, you know what? When I work long hours in the office, my skin starts to feel very dehydrated because the AC temperatures are pretty low and they suck out all the moisture from my skin. So what I do in such cases, I keep this magic water handy and just spray a little, and my skin feels energized and refreshed in a few seconds. And this actually helps me calm down my skin, and like I was feeling a little sleepy, so this actually helps me wake up a little. Of course your chai helps, but this also works like a charm. So, and by the way, this is chemical free, it has no alcohol, and even kids can use this. So this is completely natural formulation, and if you are using this in your skincare regime every day, you can also see, like, your skin is not sagging, and you can also see diminishing of the open pores that you have. So this is a very nice formulation, very easy to carry. You can carry it in your office bag or purse and keep it handy, and whenever you feel a little sleepy or dehydrated, you can just spray a little and grab DM to grab your stuff. Bye.